how it is compressed, because the dump is years and years old. It is compressed, so the more you excavate, the more will come. The idea is to reduce the hill aspect which is formed, so that at least bring it to manageable levels, so that events like landslides, collapse of the dump, leachate flowing on the road and into the town, these type of things will not happen. And it is a long process. If you come to Saligaon, you will see it has happened in the phase. Monsoon come on the 1st of June, we have capped the dump. So when we opened the dump in November, December, we got dry waste. Proper HDP capping was done, not flex type of capping.
Civil society, which was always agitated, they were against the capping. They were saying you are permanently wasting the land. Now we are doing exactly what they were demanding. We are reducing the dump and making it zero only, so that that land is safe for posterity. By which time they have to make their new landfill site ready.
We are extremely clear. The existing operations which are happening at the plant here will continue. What we are doing is scientific remediation of the existing dump. It is a total different aspect. The existing waste will keep coming and keep getting treated. The better it treats, the better residual effect it will have. So that can continue. Margao should support that also. Margao should support segregation also. But that existing dump which was festering ISO here, that remediation in a scientific manner will stop.
We are serious to get rid of the dump. If we substantially reduce the dump before the monsoon, I think it is an achievement. And we are keen to do it, which is why we have come here. And we have seriously looked at this. Also, Honorable Chief Minister has given them instruction that this is a priority. We are going by what the Pollution Control Board wanted, what the people have been demanding for so long, that we will segregate this and get rid of the dump, so as to save the land for posterity.